Hey, this is Brian Kliss, Kliss Cabinets. Showing you a new addition to the Mag Shims, but it's a razor blade on a specific Mag Shim. Holds a razor blade so you can scribe using the tape method. You run your blade down the wall like that, then you can peel your tape off. Now you have a really nice line you can scribe to on hard to scribe pre-finished materials. And how this works: stores out of the way, so when you need it, it's the odd colored one. It's a little bit thicker than 1/8 inch, so it's like an 1/8 plus. But really good method, tape method of scribing in panels or tops or whatever you're doing. Got my reveal stacked up. I can check it right there. That's what I want. So I can just go under the side of the cabinet, strike a line like that. You transfer that measurement. Scribe pre-finished material. Really easy. Super easy scribe line. There we go. Scribed right to the tape. Planed it to clean it up. Way to go.